So let's start writing the function to get the max sum subarray. So let's call it max sum subarray. So this is the function. This will be having the array as the input parameter. Now let's take a for loop in which we will calculate the local max and the global max. So for I in range length array, so we're gonna be writing for local max and global max. So let's have local max and global max as variables. So this is local max, and initially it will be the first element of the array. Similarly, the global max, it also will be the first element of the array initially. Now we know the Kadane's algorithm. The local max can either be the previous local max plus the current value, A or I, or it can simply be the current element or the current value, A or I. And we have to choose the maximum among these two. So max, and this is the new local max. Local max. And for global max, we have to choose the maximum local max, right? So here again we're gonna choose between global max and local max. If the previous global max is smaller than this new local max, then we will update the new local max as the global max, else we will keep global max. So we are going to find out the maximum between these two. So at the end of this for loop, we will be having max subarray sum as the global max, and that we will return from here. So return global max. Now let's take an array and let's try out this function max sum subarray. So ARR, let's take -2, -1, 3, -2, 4, 3, -3, and 5. We are getting an error here. This is probably because of the indentation. So let's, yeah. Now let's print the value returned by max sum subarray when we pass this array to this function. So print max sum subarray, and let's pass this array. So this is the complete implementation. Now let's run this program. So we get 10, which is the maximum sum, and this is the sum of this subarray: 3, -2, 4, 3, -3, 5.